My name is Jake Valancourt. I'm a co-founder of 10X Engineered Materials, and I'm on the phone today with Rich. Rich, can you tell us a little bit about your background and where you and your business are located?
Sure. Thanks for having us, Jake. My name is Richard Phillip, and I co-own Cannon Powder Coating, and we're located here in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. We're a 13,000 square foot shop, full service powder coating and sandblasting.
Awesome. So, Rich, how long have you been using 10X's Epix product line?
We switched over to 10X in May of this year. Before that, we were using some other products and wasn't having a whole lot of luck with them with the amount of blasting work that we do. And on a recommendation from a friend of mine who owns another powder coating business, said, hey, reach out to Jacob and talk to him about some 10X stuff. And we got it in. And I mean, we just ordered another super sack here recently. The stuff's been fantastic.
What you had going on was the old abrasive or the other style of abrasive you were using was a little bit too slow. But also, did you know about the safety of our product where it's the only abrasive out there where the material has an IARC monograph? And that essentially means it's in the same category health-wise as coffee. So if you breathe the dust in from our abrasive, it'll dissolve in your lungs and cause no long-term harm.
That was one of the we weren't aware of that, to tell you the truth. But once we started researching it here on our end, obviously the health and safety of all our employees is always paramount. And that was one of the sticking points that made us determine that this was the best route. Safety, we full blast suit, full pressurized helmet, everything, but knowing that our employees are not in a position to where they're going to face long-term health hazards by using this product has been, a good point for us in promoting a safety culture here at Cannon Powder Coating.
Well, we're really happy to have you guys as a customer. And, the other thing that you probably realize too, what you can get done with this product, if you have the right pressure, of course, and you go through the process you went through of optimizing, you can get stuff done way faster. So you can either make more money or do other things with all that time that it can create you. But you've also, it sounded like recently you guys learned a little bit about the ability to cut through some pretty ragged coatings. You're working on an old clawfoot tub. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. The time it saves for blasting using the Epix material is just phenomenal. I mean, it's night and day compared to coal slag or any of the other products out there that are predominantly used in the market. But we come across, and this is our first time doing one, but we ended up with a clawfoot bathtub, and something that was made in the 40s or 50s and maybe 60s, we're not sure. But porcelain enamel, anybody knows that porcelain enamel is a very tough coating. It's a melted glass coating, and it's meant to last forever. And to be honest with you, we didn't have high expectations going into blasting this. We thought maybe we'd have to send it off to somebody who uses, maybe pure sand or something a little bit more aggressive as far as just cut but not very safe or something along those lines. So we blasted and started on it, and I am shocked, to be honest with you, at how well the Epix product is taking that off. I mean, we thought we would have hours in this thing, and it looks like maybe we'll have in under an hour in blasting a porcelain enamel bathtub. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, that's awesome. Really glad to help. And, you guys are using a high quality product. One of the benefits of this product is you're going to get higher quality finishes, after you put your powder on, and your customers, but that higher adhesion value that you get by blasting with Epix, you should have a longer in service life. You probably haven't been using it for long enough yet for people to see that. But we have other customers out there where they've had even shipyards boats that are staying in the water for longer before they have to redo the bottom paint, for example. So it's always a benefit, not just the health and the safety, but also that higher quality. So we like to help promote our customers. How can somebody who's interested in getting something powder coated find your business? Where should they go?
Sure, they can find us at cannonpowdercoating.com. That's Cannon, CANNON, powdercoating.com. And then we're on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on all the major social media. And then also just by Googling us, Cannon Powder Coating in Chambersburg, they can check out our reviews. And we try to keep that updated very well with pictures and stuff like that, so everybody can see our projects that we've been working on.
Well, I really appreciate the time, Rich. Thanks for blasting with Epix.
Yeah, no, we love it, and thank you. We will continue to use it, and I know it's got its sticking point here at our shop for a long time.